The universe is vast and full of secrets, but few are as intriguing as the possibility of extraterrestrial life. In this fascinating documentary, we will dive into the unknown to unravel the mystery surrounding aliens. Join us on a journey filled with questions, theories, myths, and truths as we seek answers to the unexplored and uncover what governments try to hide. We will start by addressing common questions about aliens, such as, do they really exist? What might they look like? And why would they visit Earth? The existence of extraterrestrial life remains one of the greatest mysteries of science. While we still lack concrete evidence of contact with beings from other planets, the vastness of the universe and the discovery of habitable exoplanets have increased the likelihood of life beyond Earth. Imagination about what aliens might look like varies widely in popular culture, but based on science, they could assume various forms. If alien life is based on carbon, like ours, there may be some resemblance. However, there could also be entirely different life forms based on different elements. The motivation behind a possible alien visit is highly speculative. Some theories suggest they may be interested in studying our civilization, our natural resources, or even conducting genetic experiments. Another theory is that they are observing and waiting to intervene at crucial moments of our evolution. We will explore various scientific and speculative theories about extraterrestrial life, including concepts like the Drake equation, habitable exoplanets, and the possibility of life on other moons in the solar system. As we delve into these theories, we will also discuss the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, and its implications. The Drake equation. The Drake equation is a mathematical formula proposed by astronomer Frank Drake to estimate the potential number of extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way. It takes into account factors such as the rate of star formation, the number of planets suitable for life, and the probability of intelligent life developing. Habitable exoplanets. The discovery of exoplanets, i.e., planets outside our solar system, has become common in recent decades. Some of these exoplanets are located in the habitable zone of their stars, where liquid water can exist, increasing the chances of harboring life. If you want to know more about discoveries of habitable exoplanets, comment below. Search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI. SETI is an ongoing effort to detect radio signals or other forms of communication from alien civilizations. The project involves telescopes and radio telescopes searching for unusual patterns or signals that may indicate the presence of extraterrestrial intelligence. At this crucial point in the documentary, we will reveal exclusive and unprecedented information about what has been discovered about extraterrestrial life so far. Interviews with renowned experts, researchers, and former government officials will shed light on secret documents and cover-up actions. There are several declassified government documents over the years related to UFO sightings and investigations into the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Some of these documents have been released by governments of different countries and intelligence agencies. Project Blue Book. Project Blue Book was an official initiative of the U.S. Air Force that investigated thousands of UFO reports between 1952 and 1969. While many cases were classified as identifiable or natural phenomena, some remained unexplained. Evidence suggests that certain significant incidents were withheld from the public to avoid widespread alarm or panic. Informants and whistleblowers. Some informants and whistleblowers claim to have knowledge of secret programs or events related to UFOs and aliens. An example is the case of Bob Lazar, who claims to have worked at a secret military facility known as Area 51, where alien technology was allegedly being studied and reverse engineering was being conducted. These informants often face resistance and discredit from government authorities. Covered sightings events. There are reports of UFO sightings and unexplained events that were seemingly ignored or suppressed by the U.S. government. A notable example is the Roswell incident in 1947, where a supposed flying saucer was recovered but later classified as a weather balloon. The official explanation has changed over the years, fueling conspiracy theories about a possible cover-up of the event. Access restrictions to documents. In some cases, the U.S. government has denied public access to documents or information about UFOs, citing reasons of national security. Examples include the Kecksburg incident in 1965, where an acorn-shaped object fell in a forest, and the government prohibited access to the site for weeks, sparking speculations about a possible recovery of an alien object. Relation to other conspiracy theories. The existence of a secret group known as Majestic 12 has been the subject of conspiracy theories related to the U.S. government and the alleged concealment of information about aliens. However, many researchers consider this theory to be a forgery, and there is no solid evidence of its existence. Impact on public opinion. Evidence suggests that the U.S. government has considered the impact on public opinion when releasing information about UFOs and extraterrestrial life. In some cases, information has been deliberately withheld to avoid public alarm and social disruption. Freedom of information and government transparency. Questions about freedom of information and government transparency have been raised regarding the subject of UFOs. The UFO community and some members of the public argue that the government should disclose information more transparently and openly. These findings during the research suggest that the U.S. government, as well as other nations, may have withheld or concealed certain information about UFOs and the possible existence of extraterrestrial life. Operation Dish. In Brazil, Operation Dish was a military investigation that occurred in the Brazilian Amazon in the 1970s. Declassified documents reveal observations of strange lights in the sky and even photos of UFOs taken by military personnel. UK Ministry of Defence files. The British government has declassified a series of files related to UFO sightings and investigations between 1950 and 2009. These documents are available to the public and provide insights into the British government's approach to the phenomenon. Launch of the Naval Intelligence Office Report, UAP Task Force. In June 2021, the U.S. Naval Intelligence Office released a preliminary report on UFOs, titled Preliminary Assessment, Unidentified Aerial Phenomena. The report focused on 144 encounters between military aircraft and UFOs, of which only one was fully explained. The document highlighted the need for further investigation into these sightings. It is important to note that while many witnesses are reliable and their statements are taken seriously, the investigation of UFO sightings must be conducted rigorously and based on evidence to discern genuine events from more conventional or deceptive explanations. Science and ongoing research are essential to better understand this fascinating phenomenon. As the search for answers continues, one question remains suspended in the air: are we truly alone in the universe? Thank you for being part of this journey with us. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.